Hello everyone, let's start with chapter 1, real numbers. So here we need to know about integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. I think you must be familiar with integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Now we need to come into a bigger picture, that is real number. So you must know that real number is divided into two parts, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. So you have been studying rational numbers since class 7th. So you know in rational numbers can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So it could be in the form of half, 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2, anything it could be. So these are the rational numbers. Now where we have the second form, that is irrational numbers. So irrational numbers can't be right in the form of p over q. They are not irrational numbers if they are in form of p over q. So now what are rational numbers? So rational numbers are non-terminating numbers. Like if I take half here, half is the rational number. Rational number can be right in the form of 0.5. So it is terminating, you can see. It is terminating means that it has an ending. It has an ending. So therefore we say these are the rational numbers. Now if I take number like under root 3. Under root 3 is somewhat 1.71 and so on. So there is some value and it doesn't terminate. The value when doesn't terminate, it is considered to be as irrational number. Like under root 5, again a non-terminating number. So if I take under root 4 can be written as 2 square. Now we can cut square and under root, so it will be 2. So 2 over 1 is a rational number. So whichever number can be reduced or get in the form of p over q, it is considered to be rational number. And when the number can't be reduced, it is known as irrational number. Or whenever we have a number, non-terminating number, they will be irrational number. Now rational number is defined as q, big Q, and rational number is now divided into two parts, that is integers. So integers are all the negative numbers like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now rational number has other part too, that is non-integer rational number. Now what non-integer rational numbers are? They are fractions only. Any fraction, but it should be a non-integer rational number. So basically means like suppose we have 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 6 over 7. Any number, any fraction would be non-integer rational number. Now we know integer are also divided into two parts, that is all negative numbers like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and so on. And the second is whole numbers. Now what whole numbers are? It has 0, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and all the counting numbers we have are considered to be as whole numbers. Now whole numbers are further divided into 0 and the other one is natural number. Natural numbers consist of all counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are the basic concepts of real numbers. So you must know that real numbers are divided into two parts, or it has a set of rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. They are considered to be real numbers, and rational numbers then are divided into two parts, non-integers rational numbers and integers. Integers consist of all the negative numbers and positive number and 0 too. Then we have negative numbers and whole numbers. Negative numbers are all the negative numbers we have. Whole numbers are 0 and all the counting numbers. Then we have whole numbers being divided into two parts, that is 0 and natural numbers. So natural numbers are the numbers we have as a counting numbers. So this is what we have as a basic concept of real numbers. Thank you for watching this video.